Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm with a student that is practicing for his driving test. He's gonna do his test in like 2 days. So this is his first practice of the driving test. So we're gonna run through it. We're gonna show you how he's doing. And that's gonna be what we're doing today. But anyway, let's get it. Before we get into the video, by the way, I'm gonna ask you guys to please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when I post the next video. Alright, so they're gonna ask you to do the turn signal. So go ahead, signal left, signal right, blow the horn and press the brake. So they'll make sure they want you to press the brake, right? Alright. Press, so you'll press and release, right? Alright, so now they're gonna tell you basically to reverse, and we're gonna go to the left. So no, keep the wheel straight, keep it perfectly straight, and look behind you and reverse. Put it in reverse. No, make sure it clicks. Make sure it clicks. Yeah, like that. Look behind. No gas though. Remember, just let it roll.
I didn't want to roll.
Don't press the gas at all. Just let the car roll. When you get to about here, you would turn all the way right. Turn the wheel all the way to the right until it stops. So you're gonna back straight out until the mirror gets to the end of the line. Then turn all the way right. All right, go ahead. You're gonna back up until your mirror gets into the middle, like about here. Put the car back in drive. Turn left. Alright, so we're gonna make a left turn coming up here. Go into your right lane. Alright, so we're gonna go past this tree here. So every time they say make a right or a left, you signal. So we're gonna make a right turn here, and then we're going to park. So signal right. Stay close to your right side. And then we're gonna line up the mirror with the first cone here. So you're gonna park. Right? So you're gonna line up the mirror with the cone. Go up a little bit more, just a touch. Like that. Alright? So you signal left and you turn all the way left. You go slow here. When you get into the middle here, you're gonna straighten the wheel and pull straight in. Yeah. Alright, go up just a little bit more. Alright, stop there. Alright, so now we're going to reverse, straight back. And you're going to reverse until your mirror is past the cone. And then you're going to turn all the way to the right. So, press very gently on the gas. And you're looking both ways as you back up here. When your mirror is past the cone like that, you're going to turn all the way to the right and then continue backing up. You're gonna back up until your mirror is in the middle of this area like that. Stop. Put the car in drive again. Turn left. Turn first though. Turn all the way left before you release the brake. You see, because as soon as you release it, you see what happened, right?
Yeah, it started responding.
Yeah, so go close to the right side here, and you're going to stop. Treat this area like a stop sign. Signal left. Alright, go ahead. Stay close to your right side. And then we're going to make this left turn. I don't know why these people are sitting out in the middle of the road. Alright, so we're going to make a left turn here. And we're going to... So now the examiner... Okay, we're going to stop here. So the examiners are going to be standing about in this area somewhere. They're going to be walking around in this general area, but they're going to be standing here when you come in from the parking. So they're going to tell you to stop here and then speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So just go straight down here, 20 miles per hour, and then stop. Stay in your right lane though. Speed up, push it down, and stop. Okay, that's cool, but just make sure you're more straight. You understand? Mm-hmm. Alright, look behind you and just reverse straight back. No gas, just let it roll. So you're gonna go straight back and then you're gonna stop about here. Now put the car back in drive. We're gonna go forward just a little bit, close to the right side, closer, slightly closer, not that much, like about right here. All right, stop. Okay, so you see these parking spaces right here. You're trying not to go into the parking space, and you're trying not to hit the grass over there. So signal left, turn all the way left, and then roll forward and stop before you go into the space. Alright, put it in reverse, all the way to the right. Look behind you. The other way, look over your left shoulder, because you're trying to avoid the parking space over there. So just look behind, and when your mirror gets into the middle of this area, keep going back a little bit more, a little bit more. You see like the middle of the area, so like here. So back up just a little bit more, like about that. You feel me? All right, now put it back in drive, signal left, and turn all the way left. Alright, so you're gonna straighten up in the right lane here. And you're going to basically stop here. Make sure you stop, right? Because people fail the test by just driving through this little stop sign here. So go down straight across, and then we're going to stay close to the right side. Closer is always better, right?
I should want to be close to the curb.
I know. Alright, so park on the left, signal left, find a parking space, line up your mirror with the line. Turn left. I am good. Could you give me 1 second, please? Let me call you back in about 5 minutes. I'm actually wrapping up a video right now. Okay, all right, thank you. Never fails, man. All right, so, yeah. All right, so I gotta edit that out. All right, so you see, he did everything that he needs to do to pass the test. We're gonna continue to practice, obviously, because this is his first practice. We're gonna come back, is it tomorrow, I think? Or Thursday. Yeah. So we're gonna come back and practice a little bit more, and then he's gonna be fine. All right, so stay tuned, right? But anyway, please like the video again, like I said. Share the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you're new to the channel, thank you for coming by. Please stop back often. Just come back as often as possible, because I have a lot of videos that covers practically everything you need to know about driving. So thanks for stopping by, and I will see you on the next video.